Welcome to this demo video. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to wire the CL-01 corridor light to the Y501 intercom step by step. Here is the wiring diagram for reference. To complete this setup, you'll need a Y501 intercom and its accessories, a CL-01 corridor light and its wiring, additional wires and a terminal block. Connecting the CL-01 corridor light. Identify the 4 wires on the CL-01. Red wire, 12V input. Black wire, GND. Brown wire, RS485A. Orange wire, RS485B. Attach the connector to the CL-01. Connecting the Y501 intercom. The Y501 has 9 cables, but for this setup, we will use only 4. Red wire, 12V output/input. Black wire, GND. Brown wire, RS485A. Orange wire, RS485B. Attach the connector to the Y501. Wiring the connections. Connect the 12V, red, from Y501 to 12V, red, on CL-01. Connect GND, black, from Y501 to GND, black, on CL-01. Connect RS485A, brown, from Y501 to RS485A, brown, on CL-01. Connect RS485B, orange, from Y501 to RS485B, orange, on CL-01. Testing the connection. Power on the Y501 intercom using PO. Access the web interface and navigate to Intercom Settings. Basic Settings. Set Corridor Light to RS485 and click Apply. Make a call to the nurse station. The corridor light should flash red slowly. Pressing the green Presence button should change the corridor light to solid green. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.